Welcome to another set of home study package notes, and this week we will go through step 3 of the web development cycle. Step 3 deals with web design, and web design has certain processes or distinct disciplines which are information architecture, interaction design, interface design, navigation design, information design, and visual design. In this week's home package notes, we will only go through 4 of those disciplines. So looking at the definition, I want you to underline the first sentence, which is what is involved in this process. And you can read the first paragraph in your own time, and if you have any questions, you can always ask me. I will mainly emphasize on the process involved in this website design. And looking at the sentence after the 6th discipline, I want you to underline that sentence. Class, if you have printed this out or you have your notes with you, can you look for this sentence in your notes, or if you don't have it, write it down, so that you will remember that these two designs handle the same or similar set of challenges, which is how to move through a website. So interaction and navigation design deals with how to move through a website, and this is one of the challenges that are faced in this design. Looking at the first design, information architecture, it is concerned with organizing content on a website, and the diagram given below is in a form of a tree, which we will go through after all this discussion. Next design is interaction design. It's a system for structuring and generating actions on a website in response to user behavior. For example, when you click on any button, then it takes you to another page, then you fill in information in that page, and then you click on another button, and then it takes you to another page, and you keep on clicking till the set of information is filled, or whatever is required of that page is filled. Example given here is the check-in button or check-in field. Once a check-in field is clicked, then a set of information is given for the person who is using the program to fill. Next, let's look at interface design, which is concerned with the selection of web elements that facilitate interaction with site visitors. These are all the buttons or the links, checkboxes, radio buttons, even the text boxes that you see on the website. This is what you call interface design. Navigation design, it is whatever you see on the website that helps you to go up, down, left, right on the website. Basically, it is concerned with helping people orient themselves within a website and also move through it. And those are some of the questions that you can look at to answer if your website is doing what is asked there. And there are certain navigations used, and you can search for these points, and we will go through them in the future discussions or future Zoom classes. Okay, let's go back to information architecture. Looking at this diagram, this is our home page for global warming website. So when you click on the home page, you have 2 tabs. One is how to join and one is what is global warming. When you click on the how to join tab, then you have another menu or tab at the bottom of it, which is details. And then when you click on details, you have 2 others, that is by credit or by card. Sorry, by credit card or by post. And when you click on what is global warming, then you have intro and actions underneath. And then when you click on intro, you have history and future, and when you click on action, you have events. let's look at a website so that you will understand more on that. For information architecture, it's mainly concerned with the tabs and what's under those tabs or menus, I would say. For example, when I click on our school, then you see certain tabs or menus going down. Then after that, when I click on management, then you have two more tabs there: management and administration team. These are web pages, so when you click on them, it goes to that page. So what information architecture is concerned with are those tabs that leads you to those pages. So let's just do this activity. We'll work on management tab. So when we think of information architecture, or when we draw information architecture, it's in a form of a tree diagram. So 1.0, we usually work on the home page. So 1.0 will be the Tower College home page. So you will have a rectangle right on top. Okay, let's draw it on a let's draw it on paint. We will keep on going to paint and then to the website. So let's see 1.0 here, Tower College homepage, and you draw a rectangle. Okay, let's look at the next one. The numbers class, be reminded that you have all the numbers on the left hand side and the wordings on the right hand side. So in this case, we had 1.0 home page, 2.0 home, 3.0 our school. You have to write it the same way it's written on the website, and in this case, home has a capital H, our school has a capital O and S. Likewise with the next or the following tabs. Management have 4.0, and you can see there are tabs or web pages below it. So 4.0, 4.1 management, and 4.2 administration team. You also have tabs or web pages below our school. Likewise you do it the same thing, 3.1, 3.2. Then we have 5.0 departments. Then we have 6.0 Moodle, 7.0 supplementary resources, and 8.0 contact us. Contact us. We will only go to 4.0, and you can do the rest in your own time and send it to me if you want. So let's go back to the picture. So you had 1.0 there, then like in a form of a tree diagram, then you have all those up to 8.0, but we are mainly focused on 4.0 in this lesson. So 4.0 we had management, then below 4.0 you have another one. You can draw it in this form. Then you had 4.1 management again. Then you had 4.2 administration team. You can draw it this way, or you can draw it this way, or you can draw it that way. Three ways you can draw it depending on the space of your paper, how big is the website. So there are 3 different ways you can draw it. Okay, let's use one way. Let's use the purple way. So the purple way. So yeah, so you can draw it in this way. So this is basically what information architecture is, and hope you understood that, and you can redo your activity on what I gave you in the snapshot. And in the snapshot, you are supposed to do it on the Tavo College website. In Tavo College website, and on which tab? Supplementary resources tab. So this is what you were supposed to do. Hopefully you will be able to draw it and send it to me before tomorrow's class, and also this activity. Thank you, class. That's all for this video. Do ask me any questions if you have any. Thank you.